How to get $180 Wayfair coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Wayfair coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, coupon follow. This is the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Wayfair. Once you're in the website, you can just scroll down. You're going to get amazing offers and deals for Wayfair. You can see that 30% off, $50 off, $200 off, and many more. Here towards the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now you can copy the code. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can click on redeem at Wayfair. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount. Also, you can try out other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Wayfair. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, scrolling down, you'll also see this website Groupon. You can open this website, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Wayfair. So this way you can easily get up to $180 working coupon code for Wayfair. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.